What's up guys, welcome to a new video. This time we are in France, that's why I'll talk English this time. I hope everybody understands it. We are at the GASGAS United Enduro Tour. It's like a single day event where you can get invited. More about that later. I will let you know how you guys can get invited. The tour will stop in different countries, also in Germany, so stay tuned for that. The event is just like the best day you will ever have probably, because you can ride every bike. We've got all the e-bikes, from the hardtail to the trail cross, everything here. Trials bikes, 125 all the way up to the 300. Then we got the enduro bikes, the whole lineup, and the motocross bike with the whole lineup. So you can ride and test every bike which you want. We have people here that right now they're having lunch. I will do a little show later on here, just flatland tricks. And yeah, we already had the morning behind us. I did the trials group, I did some coaching and showed the people some stuff and some tricks. And yeah, super cool day. Let's see which bike I will pick today. But also let me know your favorite GASGAS bike down below in the comments. I want to see which one is the most popular one. And maybe we'll have a project bike soon. So if you guys comment and let us know which one you like most, let's see what happens. Yeah, I think now it's time to get some lunch and then we'll see us at the little show. Let's go!
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going,
That's sick. So slippery, it's so sketchy.
Oh la la. But it was so sunny that I was with my eyes closed all the time.
But it's different if you're standing there, no?
Yeah, fuck. Oh la la.
Thank you. Thank you. That was fun, huh? Super slippery, but yeah, that was perfect. No setup, no ramps, just flatland shows.
What's the plan for today?
So I think the plan is I will coach one more trials group down in the forest. So I'll take the GoPro with me so I can show you what's all down there. And then I want to pick an enduro bike and a motocross bike today. And then we rip some laps on the track.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the signs, it's my only
motocross track, and right here is trial, enduro and e-bike. So we got some separate areas for each category. So we have some trial sections, nice e-bike course, and also an enduro loop. So let's check them out. So guys, that was the trials and the enduro area down there. I want to rip a motocross bike now on the track. So which bike would you guys pick if you could choose one of all the GASGAS MC models? I'm probably going with the MC 125 two-stroke. It's the most fun bike I've ever ridden. It's crazy. But then I also want to do a lap on a four-stroke just for a comparison how different it is, because this track is super slippery, it's rocky and really bumpy because the rain washed out everything. It's a bummer because the guys from the track, they prepped it for our event. Like, they even drove in sand with trucks and everything. It was a perfect prep track. But yeah, we're still having fun, and let's go to the paddock. You found some motocross gear and enduro boots. That will work. I think that should work on this track, so let's go for a rip. We got the 250F MC, like the motocross bike, and we also got some power parts. We got the triple clamps, and I don't know what else we got. I'll go for a rip. I have my GoPro on, and then we get some nice footage from the outside, so let's go.
I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, try my best to move along. Push myself to be the best, try with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, I ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means, at least do it on my own. So I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I want the real stuff, everybody listen up. Cause I'll only say it once, I'ma show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'ma show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want.
Oh yes! This thing is so much fun.
Yeah.
I need some water.
keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do.
So guys, that was it. Super nice. We did a little trials lap at the end. You can watch that video on Anni's channel. I will link that video up here. Super nice weekend. 3 days of full gas. I'm really super sore. All my muscles are wow, I feel everything, but it was so nice. I rode every bike, like wow, crazy. And there's one thing, guys, I told you, you can take part in this and the other stops. Actually, you can check it all out on the website from GASGAS.com. United in Dirt, they got it on there, and then you can see what you have to do to take part in it. It's simple. All you gotta do is make a video of you having fun on your bike. It doesn't matter if it's a KTM or which brand or what kind of bike. It can be maybe a scooter. Just be creative, make a video of it, have fun. Just show us how you have fun on your bike and upload it to social media and tag us with the hashtag GASGAS Tour and hashtag United in Dirt. And then we will pick out the best ones, and the best ones get invited to the next stops, and then yeah, we can have fun together. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, as always, drop a comment down below, and then we'll see you soon. Let's go!